Uh, what is your program on tomorrow, sir?
Aim late, sir.
Okay,
Yeah,
tomorrow
yeah.
is a holiday. That's why I can take more time. I can spend minimum 1.5 hour or 2 hours. I can spend.
Okay.
We will choose some suitable timings for both. So there is one more concept called as inner class. Very simple definition. A class inside another class is called as inner class. A class inside another class is a class inside another class is an class. We are done with inheritance, huh? Inheritance is over, right?
Yes, sir.
Overloading, overriding, final, right. A class inside another class is an inner class. Very simple. So you should have some outer class and an inner class, and some rules and regulations are there. Rules in designing an inner class. Rule number 1. Inner class should be present in inside outer class. Of course, as the definition is itself is telling that a class inside another class is an inner class. An inner class should be present inside an outer class. That is point number 1. Point number 2 is an inner class should be always private. Should be always private. Private means outside classes cannot access that. Should be always private. Okay, so that outside classes cannot access that. It's a safety mechanism. It is a safety mechanism. Inner class concept itself, it is a safety mechanism. Another point. And where can we create object to an inner class? That is very important. You cannot create object to an inner class in any other class other than the outer class. Okay, we cannot create object to an inner class in any other class other than the outer class. Means the suitable place for creation of object to an inner class is only outer class.
Outer class.
Only inside outer class you can create object to an inner class. We cannot create an object to an inner class in any other class other than in the outer class. And all the data present inside inner class is accessible by outer class. Okay. The data present in and just a minute. All the data present in an outer class, is accessible
by inner
class. Another rule. Okay, these are the rules and regulations. So we'll straight away go with some program you can understand easily. Here is the first program. Already I have written that notes. An inner class is a class within another class. Inner class is a safety mechanism. Inner class is hidden in outer class from other classes. So other classes cannot view into an inner class because it is hidden in an outer class. Okay. To inner class cannot be created in any other class. An object to an inner class can be created only in its outer class.
Outer class.
Only inner class can be declared as private. We have written that point also, right? An inner class should be always private. It is a safety.
Private, yeah. Okay.
So outer class members are available to inner class. Last point. All the data present in an outer class is accessible by an inner class.
Inner class.
Means same meaning. Outer class members are available to inner class.
Inner class.
Outer class objects and inner class objects are created separately in memory. Okay, separately they are created. Now let us see this program here. So we can see a class here. Class name is University Certificate.
University certificate.
This is an outer class. In fact, this is an outer class.
Yeah.
Let me put one comment here. This is an outer class. Okay. So this is an outer class clearly. And inside that you can see here private double practicals. Some data, variable is given by name practicals of type double data type. And access specifier is private is given. It is okay, no problem, private or public, whatever it is. And can you see a constructor here inside that?
Yeah.
And moreover, it is a parameterizer constructor. That is a story. Some code is given internally. And one member function is also given. What you call variable, one method is also given. Method is also given because in C++ we call them as member function. One method is also given by name results. Parameterizer method is given. And if we have a close look, an object is created inside that method. Is it not? And what is that object? See, straight here, you can look here. An inner class is given here. And its name is some institute name I have given here. Right? It is in Hyderabad. I have given that institute name, Yaltech. And I have created an object to that institute, the class name. Okay. And moreover, this is an inner class. So inner class, because I never closed the outer class, you can see this is the opening brace of outer class.
Correct.
And the constructor pair is present, a method is present, but there is no closing for outer class here. Can you find any closing here for outer class? No. Outer class is not at all closed here. Instead of closing, I started with another class called as inner class. Instead of closing that, I started with
inner class.
Inner class. You can see here private, and moreover, it is private. We discussed at that point also, right? Inner class should be where it is. Right. Second point, you can see. An inner class should be always private. Should be always declared as private. Declared as private. Yes, it is declared as private. You can see. And then let us come down. Inside that also you can find a constructor. Isn't it? Parameterized one. And one non-static method is also given. Right?
Yeah.
That is the code. And if you have a close look, this is the closing for outer class.
Yeah.
Outer class closure. Is it not? And well before that, inner class is also closed. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Class is closed here. So all closings are available. Here inner class is closed, followed with outer class closing. So inner class is enclosed within outer class very clearly. Isn't it?
Yeah.
So after that, there is some other class, some other outside class is also given here. Oh, it got struck all of a sudden. I don't know what I have done. Oh. click చేస్తుంటాను స్ట్రక్ అయింది. సేవ్ తీసుకుంటుంది. క్లోజ్ అయిపోయింది. ఇంకోటి ఓపెన్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? స్ట్రక్ అయితే ఇదే ప్రాబ్లం. స్ట్రక్ అయింది ఒకసారి. ఫోర్స్ఫుల్ టెర్మినేట్ చేయనా, మళ్ళీ ఓపెన్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇది
ఓకే,
ఎక్కువ టైం తీసుకుంటుంది. I don't know what went wrong. Okay, we got it back. So now let us start the execution of the program. Whatever the code is written, so we just followed the rules and regulations. What are the rules and regulations? Point number 1, inner class is present inside outer class, right?
outer class.
That is point number 1. We followed that. And inner class should be declared as private. We followed that also.
Private.
And then what else we followed? We cannot create object to an inner class in any other class other than in the outer class. Right in the outer class, we created object for inner class. You can see here.
Correct.
So we followed all the rules and regulations. But for outer class, you can create object anywhere. Okay. So here is some other class. It is neither inner nor outer. Some other class, external class. Okay. In that, main method is present. So we have created object to university certificate. You can see here an object created for university certificate, UC. Is it not? An object is created for university certificate. And we passed one argument here, 45.7. So JVM looks for a constructor. Is there any constructor in the program? University certificate. Is it there?
University certificate. Yeah.
It is a parameterized also, moreover. Is it not? And that 45 point, what is it? Being passed?
7.
45.7 is pushed into P. And that P is assigned to practicals. You know why we assigned like that? You know that. Because the life of P is very little. Its life starts here and ends at the closing brace of this constructor.
Correct.
The life of practicals is better than P. That's why whatever is pushed into P, that is passed into practicals. After that, so constructor is called. How do you call a constructor? Just by creating an object. We have done that. We have done that.
Correct.
After that, what is the next step? What is the next step? We invoked results method. You can see here, UC.results. And 55.55 is the argument being passed. So where is that results? You can see here, results is there.
Yeah.
So results is also part of university certificate class. So that is invoked. That non-static method is invoked into T. Something is passed. What is that? Passed into T. What is that? 55.55. That is passed into T. Okay, fine. So that inside that, what is the code given? An object is created clearly. So immediately JVM will look for a constructor. Constructor is there. So into T, what is passed? Just now we passed 55.55.
55.
That is passed into this T here.
Yeah.
But the life of this T is very little. You know that.
Very little.
That's why it is passed in turn to theory. The life of theory is better than T.
Better.
So it is passed to theory. And then what is done? After that, what is done? So results is invoked. Okay, fine. And this is also invoked. And after that, see, constructor is invoked. That is over. After that, what is done? Y dot evaluate. Evaluate method is called the object Y. Where is evaluate? You can see here evaluate. So this is the final code which is evaluated. What is happening internally? You are displaying practical marks, theory marks.
Yeah.
After that, you are finding average or not?
Yeah.
Practicals plus theory by 2. You'll get some percentage here. And the same percentage you are displaying as well.
Display.
So where we started and where we ended, this is the final endpoint, right?
Yeah.
From where we start from here. Program execution starts from here.
Correct.
First, we invoked the constructor just by creating an object, and moreover, we passed 45.7. 45.7 gone to P, and P is passed to practicals. And then immediately results method is invoked. You can see.
Yeah.
Results is invoked by passing 55.55.
55.55.
And again, inside results, what is happening? A constructor is called again. There is nothing but inner class constructor, clearly. Here is the inner class constructor that is called, and that T 45.5 is pushed, but that T is having little life. That's why it is passed to theory, which is having better life. Its scope is the entire inner class scope, right? And after that, what is happening? Y dot evaluate. Finally, evaluate is invoked, and this code will be executed. Inside evaluate, very simple code is given, right?
Yeah.
That's how inner class will be executed. Okay. Any doubts in this program, please ask. So how we organized this? So first of all, we followed the basic rules and regulations. That is, a class inside another class. Inner class is present inside outer class, and inner class should be always declared as private. Don't forget this. Okay. If I remove private, it won't work. Okay. And then, and then you know the remaining story.
Cannot create objects to inner class.
Yeah. We have created object to inner class inside only outer class.
Outer class.
In some method I have done that, and invoked the other method as well. That's what I have done. Any doubts in this program?
No.
Same program, little difference using this. See here. In the previous program, I have done practicals here. In place of practicals, here also P is present. Can you see?
Yeah.
Both the times P is present. Is it not? Then how to resolve that problem? We have done this before. This operator.
Yes. Yeah.
This dot P is equal to P, right?
Correct.
Same story here also.
This
T. Both times no theory here. T. This dot T is equal to T. Done?
Yeah.
Yes, that is the only difference. Remaining same story. Remaining same. Same code. Only names are changed. Both are kept as PP. Here TT. No practicals, no theory. Same names are given both the times. P here, here also P. Here also T, there also T. Got it? Here T, there also T. How to resolve? Same names. Conflict is there.
This dot T.
This T is different from that T. So this dot T means this refers to current object. This is the current object.
Yeah.
So whatever possessed by this small T, that will be given to this T by this dot T. Thus we can distinguish one from the other one. The remaining story, same story. P plus T by 2 and all that, same story. Okay.
Yeah.
So that is all about inner class. Next concept is anonymous inner class. We will look at anonymous inner class. Can I move to that anonymous inner class?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Right. I'll send you
ఇది notes పంపిస్తారు కదా
పంపిస్తాను. ఇదేనో పెండింగ్ ఇంటర్ఫేసెస్ ఉంది కదా. అబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ క్లాస్ పంపించినట్టున్నాను.
చూస్తాను సార్, చూసి చెప్తాను నేను.
పంపించినట్టున్నాను అబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ క్లాస్, చూడండి ఒకసారి.
ఓకే.
I think I have sent abstract class to you 1 week back కదా, పంపించాను at some time. క్లోజ్ అయింది ఇది, ఇప్పుడు క్లోజ్ అయింది ఇది. ఇది
ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ పాలిమార్ఫిజం లాస్ట్ ఉంది.
దీనికి వాట్సాప్ సో బ్లాక్ వచ్చింది, ఎందుకని వైట్ గా వచ్చింది, ఎందుకు? సంథింగ్ వెంట్ రాంగ్. క్లోజ్ చేసి ఓపెన్ చేయడం బెటర్. ఓకే, రైట్. సంథింగ్ వెంట్ రాంగ్ విత్ దట్. ఓకే, ఎనీవేస్
ఏదో అప్లికేషన్ రన్ అవుతున్నట్టు స్లో ఉంది అది.
Okay, let it be. And a few more inner classes are there. One is a static inner class, normal or regular inner class is also there. We'll discuss those as well. Before that, one more topic is there. Let me check that. Static nested classes. Just a minute, I will check that. I think I have kept in another location, same file. More classes. What is this? I think some problem with Google Chrome, I think. Some problem with Google Chrome. Yes. Inner class. Yeah, here it is there. So I'm looking for. It's taking a lot of time to open. Okay, let it be. Part 1 we have done. Just now we have done this part. Here elaborated information is there. అప్డేషన్స్ టైం వచ్చినట్లేదు దీనికి మొత్తానికి స్లో అవుతుంది.
రేపు ఏ టైం లో తీసుకుందాం సార్ క్లాస్?
రేపు
మార్నింగ్, ఆఫ్టర్నూన్, ఈవినింగ్?
మీరు చెప్పండి ఏ టైం బెటర్?
మీకు ఏ టైం ఫ్రీ అవుతుందో నాకు చెప్పండి సార్.
మార్నింగ్ కంప్లీట్ చేద్దామా? మార్నింగ్ ఫ్రెష్ గా
ఓకే, మార్నింగ్ అంటే ఏ టైం?
morning depends upon the time I wake up. I don't know, being a holiday, I don't know when I am going to wake up. As soon as I wake up, I will send you some WhatsApp message.
ఓకే.
మీ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఏంటి రేపు?
నేను యాజ్ యూజువల్ ఆఫీస్ ఉంటుంది సార్ 9:30 నుంచి.
9:30 కా?
సో 9:30 to 6:30 ఆఫీస్ లోనే ఉంటాను.
అప్పుడు పాసిబుల్ ఎక్స్టెంట్ మధ్యాహ్నం లోపల ర్యాప్ అప్ చేస్తే బెటర్ కదా. 9:30 కంటే
బెటర్ సార్. ఓకే,
we'll start at 9 soon after you reach your office. Better we start immediately.
Sure, 10 o'clock పెట్టుకుందాం సార్ అయితే.
10 to 11:30 or 12 maximum.
12.
Okay, అట్లా చేసేద్దాం సరిపోతుంది.
Sure.
Just now we have done this portion. Yeah, same program. Yeah, we have done this portion. Yeah, here it is. So there are actually 4 types of inner classes. 4 types of inner classes are there. Normal or regular inner classes, method local inner classes, anonymous inner classes, static nested classes. మొత్తం 4 ఉన్నాయి. Okay? Normal or regular inner classes, method local inner classes, anonymous inner classes, static nested classes. We will see each and everything. Yeah, here it is. Something is given. So I have given here some versions. I think that is not required. In which version it is present. Same notes I have given here also. Only inner class can be declared as private. Those things are okay. We discussed already. Is the intention of giving this university, college? Okay, that is okay. Car, yeah. See, in this example, why I have given this example means you can have that feel. College is smaller than university, right?
Yeah.
That's why this is an inner class for university class, isn't it? Similarly, engine is smaller than car.
Car, yeah.
That's why car is outer class. Engine is part of that. That is inner class.
Correct.
That's why I have given a couple of examples to understand. And these are about dot class files. If you generate dot class file, normally for inner class, dot class file will be the shape of the inner class dot class file will be something like this. See, for outer classes, it will be like outer class name dot class, right?
Yeah.
For inner class, see the difference. See the difference here.
Outer
class underscore name dollar symbol will come.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll show you somewhere. I might have run this before. I'll show you that. Okay, anyways, we will run soon. I'll show you somewhere I have done these programs. I will show you. Wait. Here, inner class. Yes. Yeah, can you find dollar here? See?
Correct. Yeah.
Local inner dollar. Again, see dollar. How many dollars? Yeah. University, Altech, same program. Just now we have done.
Correct.
Can you see?
Yeah.
University certificate dollar Altech means that is inner class. And this dot class file is different. This is outer class dot class.
Yeah.
This is inner class dot class. Got it? So that is the difference. That's what I am speaking here. Okay? You understood, okay. I think. So I clearly, categorically divided outer class dot class file with the inner class dot class file. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, right. Next one. Same thing I elaborated one more time here. Car dollar engine, that is inner class dot class file.
Inner class.
This is outer class dot class file.
Outer class, yeah.
Inside inner class, we cannot declare any. You have to remember that point also. What is that? Inside inner class, we cannot declare any static members. Even main method is not allowed. Danger. Okay, that is a danger. We cannot create any static members. Means never use static inside inner class. Never. In any other class, you can go with static, but inside inner class, you should not allow static members. Even main method is not allowed. Why main method is not allowed? Because main method is always static. Public static void main, isn't it?
Right.
That is also important entry question. So inner classes cannot be run directly from the command prompt. Directly from command prompt, they will not be executed. Because never we write main, static method inside that. Can we declare static members inside an inner class? See, this is an entry question. Just now I'm talking about this. Can we declare static members inside an inner class? Somebody may ask you in interviews, top class interviews. Inside inner class, we cannot declare any static members. Even main method is not allowed. Okay?
Allowed.
So never, you should never use static inside inner class. Neither static variables nor static methods are allowed inside. Okay. And see here, that's a rule. We have to follow that. And you can see here outer class, you can see here inner class, right? And then you can see here public void show. Inside inner class, a method is given. This is simple inner class. Inner class is closed here. And then inside main method, an object is created for outer class. You can see here. An outer class object is created, right?
Yeah.
Inside main method, outer class object is created. And how to create inner class object? See here, this is another way of doing things. Outer dot inner I. Got it? Because inner class name is inner. Outer class name is outer. How to create object for outer? For outer, it is very simple. Outer, this is outer object. That is very simple.
Yeah.
This is outer object. But for inner, directly inner space I you cannot do. Outer dot inner. That wrapper class should come here because it is wrapped up with outer class. So always we have to use that at the top. Outer dot inner I is equal to outer underscore obj. What is that outer underscore obj? That is outer class object.
Outer class object.
Dot new inner. New space I have to use. Sorry. New space inner. Like that I have to use. Got it? That is a technique. A bit tricky way. We have to remember this. Like outer dot inner space. This is the outer object. This is the inner object.
Yeah.
That is I is the inner object. At right hand side, how to do? Already you created outer object, right? That outer object dot new inner. Like that we have to do. Another alternative also I have provided. If it is difficult, you can do like this also. This also works combining two lines. What are those two lines? See, outer dot inner I is equal to new outer dot new inner. In place of outer object, you can do like this. You need not write this. In place of that, you can write new outer. Is it not?
Yeah.
Because left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is left hand side.
Yeah.
That is equal to right hand side.
Right.
Means same meaning. You can write either outer underscore obj, or in place of outer underscore obj, you can write new outer also. Is it not? Dot new inner. A bit tricky. Otherwise, you can combine three lines like this. New outer dot, new inner dot show. Directly you can call like this. For the first step, for this step, you have to write this step also. Or you can write this step. And then you have to invoke I dot show. again to invoke show method, because show is a non-static method inside that. Otherwise, this is the best practice. Only one object, combining 3 lines. New outer dot, new inner dot, show. That is easiest way. Got it? These many ways are there, all leading to confusion, is it not?
Yeah.
Because if you have a closed loop, this is the easiest procedure. Directly, new outer dot, new inner dot, show. Because show is part and parcel of which method, which class? Inner class, clearly. You can see here. In outer class, there is nothing. Just inner class is there. It's a wrapper class. Outer class is wrapped. I mean, inner class is wrapped by outer class here. And here show is a method present in inner class. And here is the closure of inner class. Inner class is closed, but outer is not yet closed. Inside outer class, main method is there. Is it not? And totally outer class is closed here. You can see. And this is the closure of main method. And after that, this is the close of outer class. Isn't it?
Yeah.
And this is the best practice. New outer dot, new inner dot, show. Show will be called. You need not again write.
So the file etla save cheyali? Inner class name or outer class name?
Where is main method present? It is present in outer class.
Main method is inner.
See, I have compiled here. You can see here. You can see here. Main method is in outer class. Inner is closed. I told you. Inner is closed.
Yeah, correct.
So this is inner class is open here, and you can see here. I made a comment. I made it clearly. I made a comment.
Yeah.
Right. So it is no way concerned with inner class. Main method is no way concerned. Because I told you already, static is not at all allowed inside. Right?
Inner class.
We followed that rule here. And see, while execution, I have not given that execution step anyways, but sure, you have to save with outer class name. Okay?
Okay.
We will run this program, otherwise, we will run this. Double quotes the problem was the copy is work out the letter. I think it may create problem, may or may not. We'll see that. Save as outer dot, so and so.
Outer
right?
dot.
This.
Yeah.
Compile na?
Yeah.
As usual, normal program.
Yeah.
Inner class method is executed or not. Again, look at the code. Yes, this is the code which we had. So all are commented. Where comments are not present inside main method, only I think I executed this part, this line. Means I have created an outer class object.
Yeah.
I've done this part. And then I have done invoked show method with that I dot show.
Yeah.
Where is that I? Here is the I. Here is the I.
Yeah.
And what is that outer object? Here you can see that. Got it?
Correct.
The issue. That is the story. Otherwise, you can try directly like this also. Okay.
Okay.
That's how it runs. Same program. We have done this before. University program, right? And this also we have done. Accessing inner class code. This already explanation is given. Already we have done this program. Accessibility of static members into inner class. Next one, second procedure. Accessibility of static members. Can you access static members? Let us see this program. This is the outer class here, right?
Yeah, correct.
And inside outer class, I have gone with one non-static variable and one static variable, isn't it? And you can see one inner class also, because outer class is not closed. And inside inner class, you can see one non-static method. That is going to access X and Y.
Yeah.
X is no issue because it is non-static. This is also non-static method. Method non-static, variable non-static. But Y is static. And I'm trying to invoke Y. Will it work? Inside main method, yeah, it is working. So you can see new outer dot, new inner dot, method name. Find ln, I think the method name which I have given. Find ln. System X and Y invoked or not? 4 and 5. You got 4 and 5? Yeah. So no issue. Means what is the comment? Accessibility of static members into inner class methods. So can inner class access static members? Yes.
Yeah.
Inner class members may not be static, but it can access static members. Got it?
Yeah.
Can I write inside this method any static variable? Can I declare? No. See, this is your inner class. Inside inner class, is there any static thing present? Maybe variable or method. Is there any static variable or method present inside inner class?
No.
In the highlighted portion? No. But outside inner class, yeah, there may be some static variables, no issue. That can be accessible directly. No issue. That's what I made here as notes. Study that. Inner class methods may not be. Inner class method means this is the inner class method. It may not be static as it does not allow. We are not allowed to write static here. But these methods can access static members of the which class?
Outer class.
That is the point. For that comment, for that notes, for that couple of lines, this is the program which is absolutely suitable for that. Okay. Got it. Similarly, we tried another program. Now see this. Will it work? Yeah, it is working. What I have done, let us check. You can see outer class here, some non-static variable. And inside inner class, I have gone with non-static variable because static is not allowed.
Static is not allowed.
Again, another non-static here also, no issue. And I displayed all of them. But names are same, na? X. Conflict is there. How to resolve the conflict? See, here normal X means which X is coming here? Local X. This 3 will come, I think. First 3 will come.
Okay.
Yes, you got 3?
Yeah.
Next, this dot X means this X.
Correct.
And outer dot, this dot,
Outer
very clear.
dot,
I am very
this
clear
dot
here. Outer dot, this dot means the top X, 1.
Yeah.
That is the way to deal. And same story. New outer dot, new inner dot, find.
New inner dot, find.
Same story. Got it? So you should be careful with this. If ambiguity is there, X, 3 times I have given X, but this X is different from this X. If any conflict is there, you can write this dot X. This dot X means this one. If you write outer dot, this dot X, that is going to be the outer class variable.
First one, yeah.
If you write only X, that is the innermost one. Got it? Very simple.
Yeah.
Modifiers applicable to the outer and the inner classes. Some modifiers are there. You can use some modifiers like public, default, final, abstract, strict FP. The following modifiers are allowed to the inner. For inner classes, these are the modifiers allowed. We have to remember these rules and regulations. For inner class, these are all acceptable. For outer class, these are all acceptable. We have to remember those rules and regulations. And then nesting of inner classes is also possible. Nesting of inner classes. Nesting means, say in this program, you can have a nesting. Outer is there. It is not closed. And before that, inner is there. And inner 2 is there. And inside inner 2, find ln is there. And some message is displayed. And we closed all the braces. And we have gone with some other class where main method is present. Got it?
Yeah.
See how it is nested. Outer one, inside that inner one, inside that inner 2. Got it?
Yeah.
Now how to create object. See, that is a technique. Create object for outer. This is outer object. O. Okay. How to create inner one object? Outer dot, inner one, I1. O dot, already O we have created now. O dot, new inner one. And then how to create object for inner 2? See here. Outer dot, inner 1 dot, inner 2, I2. Previously you have done I1, right? I1 dot, new inner. And then I2 dot, finally you got I2. So you can call find ln. I2 dot, find ln. That is a technique. That is nesting of classes. Nesting of inner classes. Inner classes are nested. Okay. So this is another way of doing that. So you might have got so many confusions, I think, today, right?
Yeah.
First of all, inner class we have done. Safety mechanism. So some rules and regulations we followed. After that, same inner class, you can do nesting and you can deal with some static variables. That's what we have done. And the trick of creating objects and one entry equation in between, like accessing static members from outside class, okay, but inside inner class, never static. We should never use static. And some nesting also we have done. That's all we have done. And of course, this we have done before.
Yeah.
So these are the programs which we have done till now. Tomorrow we will see some more kinds of inner classes. Tomorrow we will close inner class concept. Okay, sir?
Okay, sir.
So today I got a bit tired also.
Okay,
Tomorrow
no
we will
problem.
look at, we will complete these inner classes. Some static inner classes are also there. We will look forward on tomorrow to complete that.
Sure.
Okay, sir?
Okay, sir.
Shall I close? Possibly today I will send you notes also tonight or tomorrow morning. If not, by tomorrow morning. Okay?
Yeah.
Can I close for today?
Sure, sir. Sure.
Right, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Good night. Good night.